Where was the 149th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union held? Geneva, London, Paris, New Delhi.
New Delhi. Explanation. The 149th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, IPU, was held in New Delhi, India, in October 2023. The IPU periodically holds its assemblies in different member countries, and New Delhi was selected as the host city for this particular assembly. News reports and the IPU's own website confirm this. Why the other options are less suitable? The IPU has assemblies at its headquarters in Geneva regularly, but the 149th Assembly was not held there. London and Paris are major international cities, but neither hosted the 149th IPU Assembly.